Interest rates haven't been this low in years, so right now is the ideal time to qualify for a new mortgage or to refi. Brent Ivinson from Ideal Home Loans has everything you need to know. Hello, Brent. Let's start off by really talking about interest rates. We always like to know where they are right now and why now is the time to take advantage of them.
30-year fixed rates right now, 2.625%. But here's a little secret as we're right on top of the holidays. Rates will go up in the new year. We see this trend year in and year out, so don't wait until after the holidays. Call us to get the process started now so you can lock in on the lowest rates we have ever seen.
Brent, tell us how Ideal Home Loans is currently helping your customers.
Our digital technology platform allows us to really handle everything as if we were in the office or sitting down right in front of you. So it's something that if you want to make this process totally touchless so you can stay safe, we can handle that as well. The other thing, too, if you want to come in and meet with us, we can sit down in our conference room. We're 12 feet apart. We've got a large conference table so we can observe social distancing, masks on. And really, we're going to put you in control of this process however you would like. But thanks to our technology platform, we can do this in a number of ways so that you can take advantage of the lowest rates we've ever seen before they go up.
Talk about how you guys also help people manage debt. That's a big deal.
Homes have been going up and up, so people have equity to put to work. You couple that with record low interest rates, and you have a formula to eliminate credit card debt like you've never seen before. And here's what we're able to do. We're not only able to get rid of that credit card debt for you, we're able to help you pay your house off more quickly because we're saving you so much money and having you put money in your savings account each and every month so that you can turn to cash instead of credit the next time you have some emergencies that arise that require you to dip into that savings account. Now you've got one rather than turning to a credit card.
Perfect segue into my next question, which is why refinancing can actually help people save money for the holidays, right?
The good news is we start the process right now. You're not going to be making a payment until spring of next year. So really fantastic timing as those holiday bills will start rolling in. And as we're all getting through this very busy and very expensive time of year, too, for a lot of people.
Let's talk about what it's like to work with you guys. Let's say, what can I expect if I call right now?
Yeah, I think the thing that most people are surprised by, Gina, when they call our office is that our lending specialist first asks what it is you're trying to accomplish. What are you trying to do? And so often when you talk to a mortgage professional in this space, they start telling you what it is you ought to do right away before they even know what your scenario is. That's a very short-sighted approach. And the reason being is we can customize the mortgage so that it works for you. And not only works for you right now, but works for you 5 or 10 years down the line as well, just by simply getting an idea of what it is you're trying to accomplish. So your mortgage is actually working for you each and every month, not just you working to make your mortgage payment every month.
Well, you have a lot of happy customers. Let's go ahead and hear from one of them.
I was referred to Ideal Home Loans, and I did a new purchase with them, and I'm so glad that I was referred to them because they made the loan process so easy with their online platform. I would absolutely go with Ideal Home Loans again and would refer them to all my friends and family.
All right, Brent, a lot of people are actually getting shorter-term mortgages. First, tell us how those work, and then really what are the advantages of that?
Maybe you're in your 30-year loan and you think, well, I'd like to go to a 15-year, but boy, my payment's going to double or it's going to go up a lot. That's absolutely not the case, and here's why. It's because of how low interest rates are on these shorter-term mortgages. So what we have a lot of people taking advantage of right now is going to that 15-year loan and getting out of their current 30-year mortgage. And what they're finding is they're able to lop all those years off. You're typically looking at saving yourself 10, 12, 13 years worth of payments, depending on how far you're into your 30-year mortgage. But what they're finding is you're not spending a whole lot more because of how low rates are on these 15-year products right now. And you are getting ahead financially by saving yourself 6 figures in payments and interest by going to that shorter-term home loan.
A lot of people don't want to refinance, though, because they feel like they have to start all over on that new home loan. But that's not the case, correct?
No, that's not, and that's thanks to our custom term mortgage. This product, Gina, came to be inside Ideal Home Loans. The last time we saw record low rates, which was in 2016, and we had our clients calling us back that had worked with us for years saying, I want to take advantage of rates. I'd like to lower my payment, but I don't want to add those years back onto my loan. Well, you don't have to anymore thanks to our custom term mortgage. You can take the progress you've made on your current loan along with you onto your refinance and still pay your house off as scheduled originally, but benefit from a lower monthly payment and a lower interest rate along the way.
Now, some people think that if rates don't drop more than, let's say, a point, it's not worth refinancing. You say that's not true.
Yeah, that's not true. That used to be the case when your average loan size was $100,000, but we're routinely seeing loan balances of $400,000 and $500,000. You've got to look at the math. We can walk you through it and show you the break even. You'd be surprised at how much it makes sense and how much you're going to be saving each and every month.
Thank you, Brent. We appreciate it. Start saving and manage debt with these low interest rates. Call Ideal Home Loans at 303-867-7000 to schedule your free consultation. Your first new payment is not due until March 2021. Learn more online at idealhomeloans.com. They paid